Welcome to the Booking a Hotel demonstration. To book a hotel, click the Hotel tab. Enter your search criteria such as check-in and check-out dates, location, and other search options, and then click Search. On the hotel map, your search reference point is indicated by the icon. The numbered icons are the hotels located within the specified search radius. To hide the map and view more of the list results, click Hide Map. Review the hotel search results. To filter the results, use the Sorted By fields above the list. To view more details and to select a specific room type, click View Rooms. You can view the hotel information, room options, and cancellation policy. To reserve a room, click the price. You will see your complete hotel itinerary and can review the details. Select the checkbox to agree to the hotel's rate rules, restrictions, and cancellation policy. To finalize your hotel reservation, click Reserve Hotel and continue. You will see your complete hotel itinerary and can review the details. To continue with the reservation, click Next. On the trip booking information screen, you can modify the trip name, description, and email confirmation options. To continue with the booking process, click Next. On the trip confirmation screen, you will confirm your booking. Click Confirm Booking. Your trip displays in the Upcoming Trips tab.